Hello.
Hi. Okay, let's wait for a couple more minutes and we start.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi. All right.
Добрий день.
I think we can begin. So welcome everyone to the 14th weekly governance call of the DeFi group. I just brought you a bit of New Year mood. You see this? So New Year is coming, and so as some of our commitments that we did when we were launching the DeFi group. Today we are going to update the status on all of our contests that we launched recently and that are currently active. And also we have some news from the Wintex Pro team as well. They will also connect a bit later and tell us on the progress. I will start from some news. So we finally launched 2 bridge implementation contests. So the first one is for Polkadot that was launched, I guess it was last Monday. So you know about it. And we have also started a similar contest for Ethereum bridge. Also, the contest for stablecoin design and architecture was also launched, and it's very good. So all of these contests will last until something like mid-January, and they will have 3 weeks for jurors to carefully analyze and vote for the solutions. And also we have the DEX implementation contests coming. Vladimir, are you here? Maybe you can give us a short update when you plan to launch it.
Yes, I'm here. So the basic thing is that because we launched the stablecoin contest and I invited a couple of teams to participate in it, they asked me to postpone the DEX contest because they won't be able to do both. So that's what I wanted to discuss today. Should we kind of ignore such requests, or should we a little bit at least postpone till the stable coin comes closer to an end and then we launch the DEX?
All right. Any opinions?
My opinion's the same like Vladimir. We want to do the same, and because this it will be much better when DEX will be a little bit further, maybe not so quickly start.
Anyone else?
Yes, I agree with it with this decision because there are 2 contests of bridge implementation. That's why, for me, it would be better to have chance to have more time for all contests.
Okay. All right. Good. Well, actually, I have the same opinion that we have a lot of complex contests, and DeFi group is one of the most complex in terms of contest quality in all the free zone. So maybe yes, let's start it something like right after the new year, for instance, so that everyone who wanted to participate in the stablecoin contest, for instance, could finish the works and submit them and switch to the DEX implementation contest. And also
agree on that. Yeah, great idea. Okay.
So I propose to launch it something like on the 5th of January, after everyone just comes back to work.
Okay.
Vladimir, in this case, can you please amend the terms, term in the contest description on the forum?
Yeah, sure. But usually we do it like a week or something before. Do you think we should do it now?
Yeah, I think it's better to do this now because for people who want to participate, it will just not frustrate them that they missed the contest and they could expect and plan their time.
Vlad, real crypto auditory work always.
I know, but we have
looks to CMC and Price, all crypto guys working hard.
yes, they are doing their job.
Watching the price, yeah.
I wasn't joined today's rate in the morning. All right. Also, recently I have published the contest for BTC and BCH bridge. It's not to be launched this year, I guess, due to the same reasons, but I wanted for everyone to have a look on it, and let's do it pretty in the similar way as with the DEX contest. So that anyone who wants to express its opinion and maybe propose some changes to the contest terms, so you're welcome. So the contest description is on the forum now, so I propose to leave all the comments there, and hopefully we will come to the better contest description. Also I hope that today I will manage to finish the calculation for the payout for the extra prizes on the bridge design contests. It's almost finished, but that's exactly the reason why I didn't want to launch this bunch of contests, because it's really complex and it's really consumes a lot of time to calculate such a stuff and collect all the information for this. So in the end, but doesn't matter. I will finish this today and we'll send it to the payment group for a check. All right, this is all for the news. So Stepan from the Wintex Pro team, so please, your turn. So you wanted to present something?
Yes, thank you, Vladimir. Vladislav. Hi everyone, this is Stepan from Wintex Pro team. I would like to introduce you to another member of our team, Alexey. He is one of our project managers, and today he will talk about the current state of implementation of Freeton Polkadot bridge. Alexey.
Hello everyone. My name is Alexey. I'm on the Wintex team, one of the project managers, and we are with the great news today. We have successfully proved a concept. A simple message is already passed both ways from Freeton to substrate-based chain. Another good news is that we are getting code base ready for a review, and we are calling for everyone, all the teams, to review it with us. Bronx's team has already agreed to have a look on it. At this time, we are finalizing the code base, getting the documentation ready, and preparing tests. We're expecting that to finish and pass the information, the Docker images, which include substrate-based node, relay node, and separately all the smart contracts that are necessary to implement the protocol. So next week, we will publish the code in a GitHub, and we'll notify everyone separately in Telegram. So next Thursday, we are planning to demonstrate the ability to pass the simple message from one chain to another, both ways, of course. To conclude our achievements, we are going according to our time schedule that we introduced from the beginning, and finishing the first milestone next week. Thank you, everyone. Back to you, Vladislav.
Well, that sounds great. In fact, this is actually what I wanted to see in the coming contests, because what we learned from the voting for different contests in this group is that sometimes jurors see that they do not understand certain points from the participants, and it would be really great to have some kind of AMA sessions with participants where they will be presenting their works and clarifying some points why this or that approach was selected. So yes, that's really great. That's really great. So guys, I invite you to join testing as well, because it's I think it will be really interesting.
Okay, thank you, Vladislav.
All right, it seems that we have quickly run through our agenda, and now it's time for open discussion. So does anyone have some topics to discuss? No, really? Wow. I think it's for the first time. Maybe everyone is busy now preparing for the contests, and that's very good. I hope so, at least. Okay,
I just have several questions about DEX, about future DEX contest, but I don't know. Maybe it's not time to.
Yeah, please ask. Please ask.
I read the proposal, and I'd like to know. Maybe isn't worth making a more detailed roadmap, and I don't quite understand. The implementation implementation consist developing of some app, or just design of this app or service and functions. I don't understand this part of proposal.
Yeah, it's a good question, and we hope that we had a discussion, I think, couple calls before, and the idea, and I hope that it will be implemented by the time we launch the contest, that we'll need the participants will need to show some DeBot implementation so that the jurors can check how the smart contracts are working. So
sorry.
I think we won't require some application implementation because it doesn't show any strong sides of the implementation, and we shouldn't judge by the front end how it works, right? But the back end should of course have some interface, and I hope very much that it will be DeBot interface, because it will be easy to integrate into whatever TonSurf or whatever wallet or application will support DeBot interface.
If you want on that. So if we're talking about DeBots, then I think it's a must, because it will go into directly into every browser or wallet that supports the engine. So you don't need to integrate anything, actually. You just write the DeBot and that works. So I hope that if you have contests for smart contracts, I hope that the DeBots will be a necessary part. We'll be already implemented that in DGO self-governance, where the new contest, all the smart contracts contests has a must-have DeBots to the smart contract system. But the DeBots are there will be a change now. We're adding interfaces to DeBots, which is the external interface like NFC and other interfaces, so the browser can work with with hardware wallets and stuff like that. And that will be implemented next week. So the release of the new DeBot engine will be sometimes like in maybe 1 week or a little bit more. which also kind of makes it changes a little bit the format of DeBot. That's why they're in alpha. But I think it's a great idea to have DeBots everywhere, because again, you have at least surf integration just without doing anything. And basically, it works out of the box, and that's good. So yeah, I hope that. And also, I want to ask about the DEX. Can you pin all the proposals to because I'm coming rarely to the chat. I cannot read it all the time. So maybe it's good, to have pinned all the proposals, so someone who comes not often to the chat can just go and see them, because I didn't see the DEX proposal actually.
Yeah, it's in a separate chat. But I think, Vladislav, yeah, if you pin all the upcoming proposals, like we make one message where we keep all the proposals, some of them in Google Docs, some of them already on the forum, it would be great. Yes, I agree.
So I wanted to comment, like if that any DEX I believe should support tip 3. I don't know if it's in the proposal, but I will comment if it's not.
Yes, it's in the proposal, I think.
Great. Sorry.
Maybe we can add Mitya to the group about DEX implementation, about DEX.
Yeah, sure. But I still think it's a good idea to pin all the upcoming proposals.
Yeah, the groups,
it
will be just another of the 10,000 groups.
Yeah, because new people are coming and they should be aware of what we are doing at the moment.
Thanks for answering too. Vladislav, we don't hear you.
I'm sorry, I'm muted. Just to summarize, yes, it is an implementation contest and it's not about design anymore. So it's time for action.
Thanks.
Okay, we have the hand raised. Pavel, please.
Yeah, probably I missed something, but there was discussion that there will be Bitcoin kind of breach and Bitcoin Cash. What about that?
Yeah, that's what I said in the beginning. That
sorry.
We published the initial draft of the contest for design and architecture of Bitcoin Cash breach on the forum. So I invite everyone to join the discussion, because Bitcoin is something special. So maybe the format of Ethereum Polkadot breach that's used as a basis is not that suitable for the Bitcoin. So please, anyone comment? Okay. Anything else? 3, 2, 1, over. Thank you, guys. It was really short, but it was really interesting. So thank you, everyone, and have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Have a nice evening.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Bye.